Welcome back. I'm Ryan Urban, your host of Retirement and Income Radio. I'm a no-market risk retirement specialist working with clients right here in El Paso County. One of the things I like most about what I do is that I don't have to pitch my clients with hopes and dreams based on speculation. Before you listen to...
How do you select like 50 gazillion things?
Look for your retirement instead of your brokers? Once again, my number is 1-844-429-SAFE, 1-844-429-7233. One of my listeners from...
who you know that you're going to go to that's going to help you build those accounts, and that's fine. But most of those folks are not really focused on retirement.
Annual interest rate with a lifetime income account. Head over the phone. I want all my listeners to pay really close attention now. Stop your cars.